You guys can see how dirty and filthy an open bed truck can be. So in this video, we're going to talk about probably the most affordable tonneau cover you can get for pretty much any truck. So the tonneau cover I'm talking about is from a brand called OEDRO, and if you guys have watched our channel before, I have mentioned this brand in our channel before. They make very affordable floor mats, tonneau covers, and other things as well. So this tonneau cover here, the one that you're seeing, is only $200. So you can't really buy anything for $200 in this day and age. But this is a soft top, so this is going to deter people away from trying to get in there. So if they don't know what's in there, obviously they're not going to try to break in. There is a bulb seal on the back here, so it'll seal up against the tailgate. This is a roll-up style. So down here, there is a handle. Pull that handle, will release these guys right here from the latch. And let me hop up here. And then you can roll it up like so. And then you can store it right up here. There are some clips right in the front here that will allow you to snap it in place and basically secure it right here. So that way if you need to use the full bed, you can. And then when you're done, just roll it back. It has Velcro strips on down the side here. It is bolted to our Tundra here using the factory rails. These are very nice and easy to use, so you can just take them on and off really easy if you want to. And then when you're ready to keep everything in here clean, just roll this back. And then these latches here, just set them right into the channels that they go to. And then you push it down, lock it in place. Very easy to use, and you guys saw how easy the install was. It probably took maybe 10 minutes or so with reading instructions. So if I had to do this again, I could probably do it in 5 minutes or so. But I'm gonna have a link to this product down in the description if you guys wanna check it out. I'm also gonna have a discount code down there as well if you guys wanted to save a little bit of money, get yourself one of these. They also make trifolds and other styles. So there's a hard cover as well if you didn't like the soft cover. But take a look at them. They're super affordable, and we have them on our Tacoma as well. And it has been amazing just keeping the bed clean. So if you like to keep your truck clean, I would highly recommend a tonneau cover. We did a whole separate video on actually how the tonneau cover actually saves a little bit of gas mileage as well. So check that video out. Again, discount code down below, product link down below. If you guys are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe. Let us know what you guys want to see. See you guys in another video.